Hey, are you sabotaging your own keto success without even realizing it? If you've ever felt like one mistake ruins everything, then you need to hear this. Today I'm breaking down the number one mindset mistake that could be keeping you stuck and how to fix it. Number one, progress, not perfection. Keto isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent, making consistent choices over time. One off-plan meal won't destroy your progress, but giving up completely will. Instead of asking, "Did I fail today?" ask, "Am I improving overall?" Small steps forward really matter. Number two, the bounce back effect. One mistake doesn't mean you've ruined everything. What really matters is how fast you get back on track. Instead of saying, "I blew it, so I might as well binge," say, "That wasn't ideal, but my next meal will be keto and on track." That's how you win this game. Number three, the 80-20 mindset. Perfection is typically unsustainable, but consistency is powerful. Many long-term keto success stories follow an 80-20 approach. 80% strict, 20% flexible. This allows you to enjoy life without guilt while still reaching your goals. So, if you've been trapped in all or nothing thinking, it's time to break free. Remember, progress, not perfection. If this resonated with you, hit the like, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for more keto success tips.